गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। माई सेल्फ ओम प्रकाश, फैकल्टी ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स अंडर फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डील विद द topic on abstract algebra, which are group theory, and this group theory is taught in BSc, B.Ed, PCM, 6 semester student. In which today I am going to start new topic, which are called the cyclic group. These are the lesson planning. These are the steps for planning a lesson. These are the components of a lesson plan. Now, group theory, in which we have already studied the basic concept of group theory and the subgroup, properties of subgroup, and then cosets, and then today I am going to taught you cyclic group. Cyclic group. Before studying the cyclic group, we already learned the order of a group. Order of a group is nothing but the number of element in a finite group. The number of element in a finite group is said to be order of a group. The number of element in a finite group is said to be the order of a group. But now we are going to define the order of an element. Order of an element, for order of element, let G be a group and A belongs to G, be any element. Then we say that A is of order or period n if n is the least positive integer such that a to the power n equals to e. A to the power n equals to e. If binary composition of G is denoted by addition, this would read as na equals to 0, where 0 is an identity element of G. 0 is an identity element of G. If possible, it is not possible to find such an. We say A has infinite order. We say A has infinite order. That means if the n is not possible to find, then we can say that the order of an element of that group A has infinite order. Order of A is denoted by O of A or simply mod A. It is obvious that order of A is equals to 1 if A equals to E. That means the order of an identity element must be 1. That means the order of an identity element must be 1. Next, this concept will be used in cyclic group. Now we are going to define cyclic group. In a cyclic group, a group G is said to be cyclic group. A group G is said to be cyclic group if there exists an element A belongs to G. There exists an element A belongs to G such that every element of G can be expressed as a power of A. In that case, A is called the generator of G. We express this fact by writing G equals to A or simply G equals to bracket, normal bracket A, angle bracket A or simply normal bracket A. Thus G is called cyclic. If there exists an element A belongs to G such that a to the power n belongs to Z. G equals to a to the power n such that n belongs to Z, an integer. Again, if binary composition of G is denoted by addition, the word power of A would means multiple of A. Note that we are not saying that generator is unique. We are not saying that generator is unique. Indeed, if A is a generator, so would be A inverse. So would be A inverse. So would be A inverse. We shall come a little later to the questions of the number of generator that a cyclic group has. That means cyclic group may or may not be more than one generator. May or may not be more than one generator. That means sometimes it has generator which are unique, but sometimes it has generator which are not unique. It may vary. Now, a simple example of a cyclic group is the group of integer under addition. Is the group of integer under addition. Here one being its generator. Here one being its generator. Again, the group G equals to 1 minus 1 I minus y under multiplication is a cyclic, as we can express its member as I square, IQ, I4, etc. Thus, I or minus I is a generator of this group. Is a generator of this group because I is already given in the group, and I square equals to minus 1, which are already in the group. Again, IQ equals to minus I, which are already in the group. I for 4 equals to 1, which are already in the group. Again, similarly, we can move I5, I6, I7 dot given dot, which are also in the group. That means I is the generator of the group. Or we can also say minus I is also a generator of that group. Minus I is also a generator of that group. This session powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope all of you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you for watching this lecture video.